think I got too comfortable, knowing you were always there. Thought we were in for.
Hello， 大家有点雾雾的。现在我要先去 Fiona 家，因为呢，我要帮她绑一个头发，然后我们再出发去那个 Halloween Party， 出发了。绑完头发的 Fiona， 我们现在要出发喽，耶！
Now we're hanging by a hair. I want it all back, but I can't find the words to say. And I wanna know why I'm not seeing you the same.
到了，现在天气变好。对啊，但是风还是很大，真是一个讨厌的风。
Could I let it go? Wish I could go back to when I'd hang on every word you said, rereading all the messages you sent. I wish I could fall back in love like the beginning. We had butterflies and didn't mind the distance. Don't we have it all? But it feels like something's missing. I'm not ready to admit it. So tonight, won't you love me like the first time? Won't you love me like the first time? Oh, I think that we feel the same. We're making it worse, trying to make it work this way. It's like trying to force a lock. You think you're getting somewhere, then it comes clear it won't budge. And I want it all back, but I can't make it happen. And I wanna go back, I wanna make you happy again. I wish I could fall back in love. All my friends are out, taking shots in crowds. For the first time, I don't have the fear of missing out, 'cause I'm learning how to be enough for myself lately.
Hello， 大家，今天是星期五，然后呢，我现在要出门去吃午餐。今天的午餐是要吃一家越南河粉phố，对，那现在要出门，今天有点小冷。
I've been avoiding my thoughts for too long. Now I know what I've been missing out on. When I'm all alone, I don't feel lonely. Finally get the time to try to get to know me. Used to be a stranger to myself. Now I'm the only one that knows me well. Fake friends on weekends, killing me slowly. Getting back the time and love that owed me. Finally getting good at letting go. Mastering the art of how to be alone. Finally slowing down, listen to the sound. I got this second identity.
Hello， 大家早上好，今天是礼拜二，然后现在跟尼亚约吃个午餐。没错，今天应该是个港式日。啦啦。
That double tap energy, been living and breathing on my phone. You think we're identical, but she's two-dimensional. And I got my issues, yeah, I know. She always looks great, can't make a mistake. Wish I were as happy as the smile on her face. The way that she lives, so filtered and fixed. Not really what you see on your feed, I'm not perfect. You only see my good side, only play the highlights. The parts of me I don't hide, see me in a good light, but this isn't real life. You're seeing me in disguise, only see my I've got this second identity, my friend and my enemy. Yeah, she won't leave me alone, 'cause she's popping